Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the Chase Amazon Prime Visa credit card. We will cover everything from its standout features to its pros and cons, helping you decide if this card is the right fit for you. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. Alright, so without further delay, let's jump straight into the main features of the Amazon Prime Visa credit card. So, if you are an Amazon Prime member, this card offers some solid perks. You will get a 5% cashback on purchases at Amazon, Amazon Fresh, Whole Food Market, and even on Chase travel purchases. On top of that, you will get 2% cashback at gas stations, restaurants, and on local transit, including the ride shares. For everything else, it's steady, that is 1% cashback. Now, unlike many other credit cards where you need to spend a certain amount in the first few months to get the bonus, these cards keep it simple. So, just by being approved and being an Amazon Prime member, you will automatically get a $100 Amazon gift card, no spending requirements, just free money to spend on your next Amazon haul. But wait, there is more. This card also comes with a bunch of added protections that can really come in handy. First, there is extended warranty protection, which adds on extra year to the manufacturer's warranty on eligible purchases. Then you have purchase protection covering your new items against damage or theft for 120 days, up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. And if you are traveling, you will appreciate the baggage delay insurance. So this reimburses you for essential purchases if your baggage is delayed for over 6 hours, up to $100 per day. Plus there is travel accident insurance offering coverage up to $500,000 if something goes wrong on your trip, and lost luggage reimbursement covering up to $3,000 per passenger. Last but not the least, there is a rental collision damage waiver. So, if you decline the rental company's collision insurance and charge the rental to your card, you will be covered for the theft and the collision damage both in the United States and abroad. However, you need to keep in mind that this coverage is secondary to your primary insurance. Next up, now talk about the APR and the fees, which is a crucial part to consider. So, the purchases APR ranges from 19.49% to 29.49% depending on your credit worthiness. Now, when it comes to balance transfers, this card doesn't offer a 0% promotional APR like some others, so it's not the best option for that. The same goes with the cash advances. These comes with a steep 29.99% interest rate plus fees. Speaking of fees, if you take a cash advance, you will pay the greater of $5 or 4% of the amount. For balance transfers, the fee is also $5 or 4%, whichever is higher. And be careful with the late payouts because the late fee can goes up to $39. On the bright side, there are no foreign transaction fees, so you can use this card abroad without extra luggage. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons of this particular credit card. Now, starting with the positives, so the $100 Amazon gift card you get upon approval is a nice perk with no spending strings attached. Plus, the 5% cashback at Amazon, Whole Foods, and on travel is a solid deal, essentially, if you are a frequent Amazon shopper. And the lack of an annual fee makes this card an easy one to keep in your wallet year after year. But on the downside, you will need to be an Amazon Prime member to access those benefits. Also, outside of Amazon, Whole Foods, and travel, the cashback rate drops to 1% on the other purchases, which isn't that impressive. If you are looking to maximize your cashback on all spending, you might want to pair this card with another, like the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, which gives you 2% cashback on everything. Lastly, there is no big sign-up bonus. While the $100 gift card is nice, other cards bonuses of $200 or more if you meet certain spending thresholds, which might be easy to hit with regular expenses. Now, if you want to apply for this card, then I will put the link of it down in the description so you can use that link and you can come to this page. Here, you need to click on the sign in to apply. Then you need to log in into your Amazon account and you can start the application process. If you are approved for this, you are going to get all of these perks and benefits. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.